How to sell when it is overbought. Today, I will give you the trick. Welcome to ymchannel. This channel is about trading strategy and money mindset, and this channel is just for education purpose. We don't recommend you to do any trade. Like, subscribe, and share with your friend if you like this kind of content. So now we have a new indicator basically called YM, overbought, oversold. Okay, so basically purple is oversold. The yellow one is overbought. So when it's yellow zone, basically is in the warming zone, like bing, 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 to tell you emotionally people intend to buy. Okay, it has been inside the overbought zone. So where is the sell signal? Where is the buy signal? So purple one is overbought, basically. Oversold is the yellow one. For some very strong stock, the yellow one can last for a while. Okay. What happened is when the yellow disappear, it flash a normal candle here. This normal candle would become our key candle. We put a lowest price here. We put a trend line here, basically. Okay, it called cut gain price because you're supposed to buy with here, you sell here. Okay, so when they go under this, when they close below this lowest price of this key candle, you recommend, I'm not asking you to, but you can consider, if you use only one single indicator, you can consider to sell it. Okay, so of course, later on, they can still increase, but they just give you a signal to tell you this is in the oversold zone. Okay, so when you buy here, with the indicator, they don't recommend you. Okay, so it's very easy indicator. For buying, it's the same thing. So when the purple candle disappear, and we make a highest price here on the key candle, when the candle after the purple candle, and when they close above this line, recommended this is a buy time. Okay, this is a buy signal. Okay, so and the best is you match with my indicator YM club long, for example. This one can tell you the trend, the long-term trend. When it's upward, we hold the stock. When it's downward, we don't buy anything. The thing is, when we have the bottom happen, usually before, it could happen a purple signal here. You see here, like this is Tesla. This is previously, not now. But I will just tell you, when they have a trend reversal from downward trend to upward trend, some stock, most of the stock, they will have an oversold signal. For example, here. So you can see this is one of the bottom, and you buy, and then they turn upward, and you hold until the yellow candle. Okay, of course, when they drop, when the yellow candle happen and they drop below this blue line, this is like a double confirmation, like hey, this is under the blue line first. Number two, the key candle is here, and then go under key candle, we sell. Okay, and then afterward we have a downward trend. Okay, so now I want to tell you, we are going to use some example for the Magic 7 stock. For example, we use Google. The first one is Google. So previously, Google is also quite strong stock. When we have the purple candle, it happens so many purple candle. This is, if you use only one indicator, that's why I like to pair up the indicator. Sometimes with only one indicator is not enough. Even they oversold, you see, even they oversold, if the trend is still go downward, I'm sorry, it is still downward. Remember, when we buy the stock, we need three things. You need to know three things for long-term winner. Okay, one, you need to learn how to read the trend. This is easy. The trend is the easiest one. The number two, you need to have an indicator to tell you where's the fund come in. Are they going to increase or not? Number three is the buy sell signal. Okay, so this one, overbought, oversold indicator. If you have only one this, you can use this also, but you need to cut loss. How to cut loss? When you bought, let's say you don't have this blue line, you bought at this candle, okay, and somehow you bought this candle, the cut loss price is your buying candles the lowest price. This is the cut loss. Okay, so you bought this candle, You sell when they drop below here. You didn't sell here. You didn't sell here at all until here. Okay, and then you can limit your loss. There's no one indicator can tell you exactly 100% you are going to sure win to get profit, but you can reduce the risk. Okay, so now I want to tell you, for example, here, if you have my indicator, you pair up this indicator and this indicator, the club long and overbought oversold for the purple signal. When it's still downward, when they hit and they don't go above this purple, basically it can tell you also, hello, this is a strong resistance and you can sell it earlier. Okay, for example, here they go to hit the blue line. You bought here, you bought here. They hit the blue line, they jump over. Is it strong? Yes, this is very strong. Why they go down again? But it doesn't go below the cut loss price. So you still hold it. Okay, you then go below this. The below one is here. You then go below, so you are still fine. You can also match with the YM cheapest, my favorite indicator. I've mentioned you, if you buy with this indicator, so when we have a lot of green chips, it will take some time to shake out the people to create another wave to go up. All right. So for example, here is when you bought, they still have a lot of green, which is fine. You can still buy a small position here. They go above. When they go above, you increase. And then you see what happened later is like they still have another time to come down. So basically, they come down and they build the inventory. The red one build the inventory to go up again. And then they go all the way up. Okay. I will put one video just show you how to use YM cheapest. This is a fantastic indicator to tell you what's going on with the fund, what's going on with the rate, what stage are we in right now. Okay. So Google right now, do we have overbought pattern? Right now we don't have. We have an oversold here. So if you use this single indicator, basically you buy at this candle. It's quite lower. This is very low price here. At the same time, you match with YM Club Fast indicator. At the same time, they go above this line. So it's like a double confirmation. And then you feel safe to buy, right? Here they have some resistance, but they are still above this red line. So do we have a cut gain signal? No. So you hold it. It go up again. Now we are under this red line, but we don't have overbought signal yet. Okay, this is Google. Another one I want to show you is why I want to tell you this indicator. First, because December is a tricky month. So some of the stock actually we are in the overbought zone. So you need to be careful. Instead of buying, you need to know what's going on with the stock. Okay. So December, you will see some stock, most of the market I have mentioned in my previous video about the market will go up, and then October and November is one of the low, and which is true. And so right now is going to be December. December will be the high. And so you need to know a lot of stock have overbought signal. Okay, but Amazon doesn't have, so because there's no yellow candle. Okay, the next one I want to show you is after Amazon, after Google. Let's see, Apple. We have yellow here. We have a blue here. So with the indicator, basically, you buy around here, and we have oversold. So if you use this one single indicator, what happened right now? Do we close below? Where is the key candle? This is the key candle, right? So this one, the lowest price, is the stop gain price. Okay, so far we still stay above, so it's still safe. Okay, so this is a very good indicator, and you can subscribe it now. I'm doing a Black Friday and Thanksgiving thing, so now the indicator is doing 50% off. So grab the chance, and also my course is doing 50%. It's one of the biggest promotion of the year. So grab the chance to take the course. Okay, so the next one, to take the indicator if you don't want to take the course. So the next one would be Microsoft. Microsoft, I will make one single video talk about Microsoft. So you can see the purple. Actually, if you use this single indicator, where is the purple? Let me see. Around here. And then they turn here. They turn here. So here and here, right? So it's a buy signal. Another one, they didn't have buy signal here. It has been very strong, but we have a overbought signal here. Bing, 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 bing. So what happened is, do we have a key candle yet? Not yet. So for example, this one could be the key candle, but it did not go below the lowest price. This one could be the key candle, but it did not go below the lowest price. So it did not happen have a selling signal yet. Okay. So right now you flash another yellow. So we will just wait. Okay. So this is Microsoft. You need to pay attention. The other one, NVDA. I have mentioned so many times about NVDA. Okay, so do we have a yellow candle? Yes, we have a overbought candle here. And hello, where is the key candle? It's the red candle on 21st of November. And the lowest price is the stop gain price. Okay, so basically, are we under? Yes, we dropped below this already. Okay, so this is for the swing trader. Okay, for swing trader, if you buy and sell with the overbought signal, this is for swing trade, this strategy. So what is interesting is, please pay attention to the weekly chart. If the weekly chart happen to have yellow candle and also daily chart, then you need to pay double attention. Okay? Okay? Because it's not kidding. When they drop below, they can drop for few weeks. Of course, if the monthly chart, okay. If monthly chart get a yellow signal also, you need to pay attention. For example, this one, when the yellow signal lasts from April 2020 to December 2021. So it lasts for more than 1 year, okay? And it happened, you will have a big drop. Basically, the drop is 67%, 67%. So it's not kidding. So you need to pay attention when the monthly, weekly, daily have both yellow, bring, bring, bring. It means this is a very extreme high price. Okay. When the yellow disappear, you will need to find an exit point. Okay. So this one dropped below the red line also. It's also one of the exit point. And now we have the yellow one happening. Okay, so you need to be more cautious about this, and you can check the weekly chart. Do we have the yellow? The yellow one happened here. Okay, we are still, the blue line still go upward. Okay, but we have a daily chart for the yellow. So for short term, you will pull back. Okay, you will have a pullback. The long term still go upward. Okay, but NVIDIA, you need to be careful about this stock. I have mentioned so many videos about the valuation of NVIDIA is very high. Can we still sustain the high growth, like the high revenue growth? This one is because it's priced in already. Why is so high price? Because the growth is already priced in. That's why it's extremely high PE, extremely high. So can they sustain? I will make one video just for NVIDIA, but if you hold NVIDIA, if you're a swing trader, if you are not long-term holder, you need to be careful about this price. For the long-term holder, you just follow with the blue line, okay? This strategy is mainly for swing trader. And if you're a long-term holder, you use weekly chart and monthly chart. So the other one is Tesla. Do we have any yellow? Okay, we have purple. So you buy here. We don't have any yellow. We don't have any yellow. And we are still inside this purple zone. We are still inside this purple zone. Okay, so this is my, oh, you can see the YM chippers. What happened is the red is going up. The red is going up. So is it a, but we are still doing sideways. You see the red is side and the blue is still sideways. So it's not yet upward, but still it look quite good because first we have the purple candle here, which is oversold signal, right? With our signal, this is one of our buying price, right? And then they try to struggle with the blue light, struggle with the blue light. And one candle, this candle is critical because one candle go above both lines. So you mean this is a strong candle. And then what happened is the next day even have a jump for 6%. Okay, when this one candle happened to go above both lines, this is a strong signal. It's one of our buy signal as well. So and then they go above. And look at the YM chippers also, they go to upward. Okay, so it looked quite good. But is it strong? Let me ask you a question. Is this a strong stock? So this video is just about how to sell, how to buy with oversold, overbought. But is it a strong stock? You need to look at YM chippers. Okay, YM chippers can tell you the stage and the strength of the stock. Okay, so this is the sharing today, and I'm doing the Thanksgiving promotion. Grab the chance because the promotion only lasts this month. And grab the chance. And for the already subscriber and already the student, you receive the newsletter. So this is a new thing. This is completely free for our subscriber, for our indicator and student. So read the if you haven't received the newsletter, please do email us. And everyone, I thank you so much for your support, and I wish you guys have a happy Thanksgiving. And remember, do Thanksgiving every single day. I don't mean the turkey thing, but do thanks and giving to your surrounding and to everyone. Okay, because when you give, when you thank you, when you give out some people some stuff, actually the luck will come back to you. You're telling universe you have too much, and universe will give you more. Do you agree with me? If you agree, click like and subscribe and share with your friend. This concept, it's not necessary to subscribe to my channel, but I do want you to feel very grateful, very strong with the and confidence with the trading things. So, oh, by the way, Trading Field is also doing promotion for the indicator. So basically, I'm using Trading View. The reason I like Trading View because you can first you can use my indicator, you can add my indicator, and also you can change the time frame here. This is amazing. Like 2 days, 5 days, 1 week, 10 days. Sometimes for some stock, for example, for crypto, I will use not just daily chart because daily chart have too many fall signal. It's up and down too much. So sometimes I use 2-day chart, sometimes I use 10 days chart to modify to get more accurate results. Okay, so especially for people doesn't have the indicator or they using indicator, they can pair up the indicator easily on one single chart, and this save me a lot of time. So I'm not partnershiping with the Trading View, but it's just grab the opportunity to subscribe to it and grab the opportunity to subscribe to my indicator. So I will have a new indicator coming out very soon, and apart from this one. So when you subscribe it, you will have the whole bundle of all of my indicators. So, and it will help you to master the way you trade and to give you some confidence what's going on with the stock. Okay, so I see you in the next video. Click like, subscribe, and share with your friend. And everyone have a beautiful, happy day. See you next time. Bye.